Right, was your driver's license? Today we've got James in for his first attempt, haven't we?
Yep.
Yep. How are you feeling?
Nervous, but not too bad.
It's not that bad, is it?
There you go.
Should be a walk in the park as long as you doesn't get nervous.
So, not a walk in the park.
Every time I feel like this, you always feel.
You're such a reassuring presence.
Yep. Picked them up 15 minutes early because we've got a few things to work on before we go, especially the manoeuvres, isn't it?
Yeah, I've been out with Alice and they were a fair bit better, but
Yeah. Keep looking all around, stop staring in the door, you've got to keep looking all around the car. Right, then let's go and see the exam.
Okay.
I would say it's time to wish James the very best of luck. He's had a good drive, started off nervous, but he had one serious fault. What was it for? He was like a goldfish when he was reversing out the B. He didn't look all around the car. But then it's tailed off. It's been quite a good drive, so we're expecting hopefully a first time pass us no more than how many miles is he going to see?
Oh, 5.
5. I'm going to go for 3. I'll go for me normal 3. Right, let's go and see the examiner.
Right.
You said you
I'll
wanted
take you with me.
you said you want the train to come with you. You say no.
Okay.
Do you want them there at the end? Say yes. Back off test. Tell them what you've done.
I've passed with one minor
What was it for?
on the reverse bay park, as anyone who saw the pre-test warm-up might have predicted, but I don't really care now. So.
What happened really? What did you mess it up? Or?
We actually went into Lidl where we did it, and then just
where we done it.
Yeah. I was just needed a readjustment, but it was very nice because I readjusted it and I thought it was in, but I thought maybe I'll straighten it up a bit more, and he said to me I'd leave it there if I were you, so he's done me a favour there. But
right. What was the driving exam like?
The examiner, he's a lovely bloke, really, really nice.
Put him at ease. Yeah.
Yeah, it was a nice new feeling.
What did the examiner say about what you drive? Tell him.
He said it was one of the best he's had in years, which was very nice to hear.
Well, I don't know. You got some private practice with sweetheart at the weekend. That must have been it. Didn't it?
Yeah, that would be it.
So we'll give the credit to you, sweetheart. Oh, well done. One driver fault.
Yeah.
Good
you weren't
stuff.
expecting that, were you?
Well, I did see a 3, didn't I?
Yeah. Oh well, thank you very much. I really appreciate all your help.
You're welcome. So how did that compare to my mock driving tests?
Yeah, it was like just a nice little out for a relaxing drive. It was lovely.
Mine's not relaxing, are they?
Really not, no.
No. Well, there's a method to my madness.
Yeah. Stress test me.
Yep. And
fair play. It's not enjoyable, but it works.
What tip would you give anybody who passing the driving test? What was one tip you give them? What would it be?
Ooh, go with Ken, obviously.
Do that. What is anything else?
Practice.
Exactly.
Get out with other people if you can, as well as on your lessons.
That's a good tip, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to put this one down to his missus.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, you can have some of the credit if you like.
For the mock test, you have to. That's about it. I bet you're glad that's over. Are you?
So relieved.
Oh, well done.
Thank you.